The next service that I'm gonna do is gonna be the Coll permanent waving. I'm gonna perform the Coll permanent waving for the stable procedures. You see it? Yes. All right. So you're gonna prepare your mannequin. The way you're gonna prepare your mannequin is by doing double drape. We're gonna do chemicals. So you're gonna sanitize your hands. Once again, open the bag with the towels, with the clean towels. 1 and 2. Close the bag and begin double draping. When you double drape, you're gonna grab one towel and you're gonna fold it this way. Then you're gonna wrap it around. Wrap it around the neck. Grab one more towel. Place this towel on top. Fold it. Get your cape. Put the cape over. Make sure it's nice and tight. And drape. So you have your mannequin ready. You have your station ready. Make sure it's nice and clean and in order. Sanitize your hands. And begin to section the hair. I'm going to make 2 sections at the front, and at the back I'm going to do 3 sections. So I'm going to bring my parting all the way down to the crown. The wrapping is going to be from the crown down. And I'm going to do the perm. And I'm going to clip the hair away from the face, making sure the hair is nice and tight. So it's away from me. In the back, I'm going to make 3 sections. I'm going to wet the hair. Making sure that my sections are the same width as my perm rods. And they're gonna go all the way down here. Here is where I'm gonna wrap the hair on this area. After I finish my sectioning, I'm gonna make sure I wet this hair so I don't have to be wetting the hair for every little subsection that I make. If there is any water on the floor, you have to clean it right away. So once you finish, I'm gonna get my end papers. Separate the end papers and begin to wrap the hair. Gonna take very small partings. They gotta be the same width or little smaller than the width of my perm rods. I'm gonna use double wrapping to making sure that the ends are inside the end paper. And as you notice, I'm not lifting up. Everything, you have to make sure you do the same angle all the way down. So see, I'm lifting like 135 degrees, almost 90, but not really 90. And the rest of the hair, I'm gonna wrap it on the same way.
So once I finish, you're gonna make sure that all the rods are nice and straight. The rubber band is visible on the top of the section. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna, the comb that you use, any leftover perm rods and the end paper are gonna be disposed. End paper goes to the trash and these two are going to the soil implements. I put it back here. You sanitize your hands and you step back. You wait for instructions. Once everybody's done, the proctor is going to tell you that he or she is going to come one by one and give you instructions in what to do. So let's pretend the instructor is here. The proctor is here, and he is asking me, let me fix this. Right, he's asking me to perform saturation. So what you're going to do is sanitize your hands. Get the protective cream, which comes in your kit. Grab some of this protective cream with the spatula, not with your fingers, with the spatula. Put it on the back of your hand, and the spatula goes to the trash. Apply the protective cream around the ears, behind the ears, the neck, and this area, okay? Once you finish, get this cream, put it on my hands, getting dry. I'm gonna wear the gloves.
And you can also apply cotton coil around the hairline. At Stable, they either ask you to do either one, the cream or the cotton. Okay. With gloves, it's very hard to open these bags. So I get my cotton coil and I place it around the perm rods. Remember, right here, the examiner is going to be watching you. Get a piece of cotton and get the solution. Remove the little cup and begin your application. When you apply the solution, you do not touch the hair. It has to be away from the hair in circles. And this cotton on your left hand is going to help you to hold any dripping lotion. So you're going to apply slowly without touching. Go to the next one. Make sure you apply. You can even go around and lift this a little bit to make sure you apply at the bottom of each rod. Okay? And clean any dripping lotion, clean it with the other cotton you have on your left hand. Get a little bit, apply, clean. After a few of those perm rod applications, the examiner is going to tell you to please now proceed and demonstrate a test curl. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the lid back. This goes to the trash. This goes to soil implements. Now, you're going to remove one rod 1.5 times. You're going to unwind the hair just a little bit, right? See? And then put it back. Put it back in place. Now, the examiner is going to tell you to remove one rod. So what you're going to do is maybe get one of this at the nape area and remove one rod slowly, making sure that they can see the ends are not folded. What you're going to do with this is this goes to soil implements, this goes to the trash. They're going to tell you to don't do anything else, to wait for instructions. So you're going to sanitize your hands and you step back. You're going to keep wearing your gloves. That's fine. Okay? So this examiner proctor is going to go with every student one by one and ask the same thing, to perform a test curl and to remove one rod. Once everybody's done, they're going to read to you instructions back again, telling you to remove the rest of the rods and to make 4 sections. Four sections. And you have 5 minutes to do so. Sanitize your hands. Always sanitize your hands. Get the cotton coil around. With the same cotton, you can clean around the hairline. Remember, we put some cream, so you want to remove the excess of cream. And this goes to the trash. And then begin to remove each rod. You're not going to leave it back on the table, and you have to separate the end papers and the perm rods. They go soil implements and trash. In your bags. Do not touch the bag. Make sure you read which one is for soil implements, which one is for trash. Take out the clips, out, they go to soil implements. Take out your gloves, out, they go to the trash. Get the brush, now comb the hair back and make 4 sections. This goes to soil implements. come back and make 4 sections. If you have no more clips, like right here, I ran out of clips, what you can do is always sanitize your hands before you get into clean instruments. Get more clips from your extra supply that you have on the side. That is fine. Finish. This goes to soil implements. Sanitize your hands, and you're done with Coll Permanent Wave and setting up the rest of the services.